Good morning, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. This plant I'm looking at is Typha orientalis, or our native raupo, or some people call it bulrush. It's a native, but it's not endemic to New Zealand, so that means that it's a native in other countries as well. What does native mean? It means that it's not been introduced by man. So this was here when we got here. It's got his little fluffy pom-poms on. I'll see if I can get closer to those at some stage. In fact, it's native to Australia, to China, to Japan. The Egyptians used this. This is mentioned in the Bible. So there's lots and lots of countries that this is native to, and it's a fascinating plant. So the takeaway from this is just to remember that if it's native to this country, something's in there. It's probably a pukeko. The takeaway from this video is that a native is something that was here originally, but it doesn't mean that it's just exclusive to New Zealand necessarily.